Per KOJC people, PNP officials won't recognize the temporary protection order issued today by RTC Branch 15 of Davao City. So ganito na palang utak ng ating kapulisan ngayon. May order na ang korte na ibakit nila yung lugar, ayaw sumunod. So, ano na nangyari sa bansa natin, Mr. President?
So siguro,
Ganito na pala ang pag-iisip natin kapulisan, ayaw sumunod ng korte.
do we have a copy of the so-called TPO? Tama po ba? Yung warrant of arrest po. The court which issued the warrant of arrest is not a Davao court. It's a Metro Manila
Yes,
based
Mr.
court.
President. Correct, Mr. President.
So yun, ino-honor na nga natin sa Davao. At ito na nga, nangyayari na to, disruption of the life of the Davaoeños because it is taking too long to execute the arrest warrant. And then meron naman tayong court order, an order from a local court who is now more familiar with the situation on the ground, and the speaker is telling us that per his information, hindi sinusunod.
Diretso na ako sa decision ng korte, Mr. President.
Sige po.
Hence, this court, under the current situation, sees the urgency to direct the PNP 11 to immediately cease and desist from any act or omission that threatens the life, liberty, and security as well as the properties of the petitioners. The PNP 11 is hereby ordered to remove all forms of barricades, barriers, or blockades that bar the access to and from the subject compound and hinder petitioners' religious, academic, propriety rights and the pursuit thereof by its officers and members within and surrounding the premises. The office of the Clerk of Court General is directed to immediately serve the order to any senior PNP 11 commanding officers present within the premises of KGC compound at the regional office. So ordered. Signed by the judge, Mr. President.
Okay. So, Mr. President, sa ganitong sitwasyon kasi dapat siguro ang ating kapulisan will read that with liberality na address sa kanya, and then kung ano man yung nakaka-disrupt sa normal course of life of the people there, bawal, i-dismantle. Kung gusto kasi natin ng order, at yun ang appeal natin nga sa KOJC members na wag manggulo, wag daanin sa dahas, i-honor ang mga court orders, that's the same standard that we will ask of our police
Correct, Mr.
personnel,
President.
police people. The commander on the ground, if I am not mistaken, is named Brigadier General Torre. So ganun lang po, sana ang appeal na lang natin sa commander on the ground at saka yung supervisor ng commander or commander ng commander who is the PNP chief plus the BILG secretary na since umabot na nga kayo dun sa na-detect ninyo yung heartbeat kasi nga yung mga KOJC personnel, people, cooperated to that point na nalapit yung makina sa lupa or sa building because there is a court document. Now that there is another court document, wag natin, we have to be liberal in its reading and interpretation. At any rate, you will have all the chances in the world kasi valid pa yung arrest warrant na yan to capture, to arrest that person when you actually see him or her. Yun ang legal basis mo to arrest. The legal basis to arrest is the arrest warrant.
Correct.
When you see that person, okay, not when you detect a heartbeat.